Do you need to clean the lint duct on your dryer or remove something that was dropped inside of it? Well, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lint duct on your dryer. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. And we'll show you one extra tip later in this video that will help you keep the inside of your dryer free from loose lint. If you need to purchase a new Lint Air Duct, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The Lint Air Duct is responsible for holding the lint filter in place during operation and moving air from the dryer through the blower wheel and out the back of the appliance. If the air duct becomes clogged or full of lint, the dry times may become extended, you may blow a thermal fuse, or it may become a fire hazard. For this repair, we'll need access to the back of the dryer, so you may need to disconnect the vent hose. For this repair, we'll need to disconnect power to the dryer. Be careful when working inside the dryer, as it has sharp edges and may cut you. On the back of the dryer, remove these two screws using a 5/16 driver. Pull the top panel back about 1/4 of an inch. Then lift it up and set it aside for later. Locate and trace these wires from the touchpad and control panel to the main control board. Gently pull on the electrical connectors to disconnect it from the main control board. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to gently depress the wire retainer and remove it from the dryer's frame. Using a 1/4 inch driver, remove these two screws holding the touchpad in place. Gently lift on the touchpad and control panel as you rotate the top away from the dryer. Make sure to guide the wire through the front of the dryer. Find the mid-junction for the door switch here and lift up on the tab to disconnect it. You may need to use a screwdriver. Next, tilt the dryer back and place it on some wood blocks. With access to these 4 screws on the bottom of the dryer, use a 1/4 inch driver to remove them. Next, remove the wood blocks and set the dryer back on the ground. Open the dryer's door. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 2 screws. Then, close the dryer's door. On the top of the front panel, remove these 3 1/4 inch screws. Lift the front panel up and away from the dryer to remove it, being careful to work the electrical connector through the front of the dryer. Lift the lint filter to remove it from the dryer. Using a 1/4 inch driver, remove this screw on the bottom of the dryer holding the dryer clip. Rotate the clip to remove it. Using a 1/4 inch driver, remove these 3 screws from the Lint Air Duct. Next, pull down on the Lint Air Duct to remove it from the dryer. If you need to purchase a new Lint Air Duct, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Before installing the lint duct, inspect the seal on the collar between the Lint Air Duct and the blower fan. Also, inspect the seal at the top between the Lint Air Duct and the filter housing. If either of these seals are broken or worn down, lint can escape the duct and enter the dryer's main compartment, building up and increasing the risk of fire. If the seal is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Before installing the new part, now is a good time to clean out the dryer from lint and other debris. It is important to keep the dryer free from lint buildup, as lint is highly flammable and can cause a fire. To install, align the Lint Air Duct to the dryer and install the 3 screws. On the bottom of the dryer, hook this side of the dryer's clip through the housing. Then reinstall the screw. Then reinstall the lint filter. Align the front panel to the dryer and feed the door switch connector up through the bulkhead. Then lift it up slightly so you can set it on these two retaining tabs. Install these 3 1/4-inch screws. Open the dryer's door and reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws. Close the dryer's door and tilt the dryer back and put it up on some wood blocks. With access to the bottom of the dryer, reinstall these 4 screws on the front panel. You may need to push up on the front panel to get it to align properly. Then set the dryer back onto the ground. Guide the electrical connector on the control panel through the front of the dryer. Then align this tab on the bottom of the control panel to the slot on the front of the dryer. Gently slide the touchpad panel into place and install the 2 1/4-inch screws. Find this retainer on the wire and push it into this slot on the dryer's frame. Gently reconnect the control panel to the main control board. Locate the mid-junctions for the door switch and reconnect it. Align these slots on the bottom of the top panel to the control panel bracket on the top of the dryer. Then slide it forward and reinstall the 2 screws to secure it in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.